Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a focus on convenience and functionality. Join me as we explore what many consider to be the best miter saw stand with wheels available. The WEN miter saw stand, collapsible and rolling with 3 onboard outlets. Crafting your dream projects just got a whole lot easier with the WEN miter saw stand. This versatile stand is designed to support both your miter saw and your workpiece with ease, providing a sturdy and reliable foundation for all your cutting needs. Let's talk about convenience. One of the standout features of this stand is its collapsible and rolling design. With 2 8-inch never-flat wheels, transporting your miter saw from one job site to another is a breeze. And when it's time to pack up, simply fold it down for compact storage. No more struggling with bulky equipment. But wait, there's more. The WEN miter saw stand comes equipped with 3 onboard 15A 120 volts outlets, ensuring that power is always within reach for your saws and tools. Plus, the extendable support arms can accommodate boards up to 10.5 feet long, giving you the flexibility you need for those larger projects. Customers rave about the ease of assembly, solid build quality, and excellent value for money that this stand offers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, the WEN miter saw stand delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a miter saw stand that combines durability, portability, and functionality, look no further than the WEN miter saw stand, collapsible and rolling with 3 onboard outlets. Don't just take my word for it, experience the difference for yourself. Be sure to check the link in the description below to get your hands on one today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy crafting!